nobody I could ever match bonds with. On some adamant bond shit, our love is plutonic, but I just can't put my foot on it. My one and my only, we not only lovers but homies.
Alright, what's up guys? It's the next day, you know, we tired. But I'm wearing the same shirt, some ripped jeans, and my Pumas, and I'm gonna wear her bomber jacket. Not the one I was wearing yesterday, but Sai's still here. We're gonna go shopping and do some stuff today. But Kiera had to go to work, so you know we did that. I'm probably gonna vlog during the day. It depends on what we doing. No, you look good. We at the mall. We finna go shopping with my birthday money, so you know. And then she finna take me out, and cause you know that's what good best friends do. But I'm gonna get my little free Starbucks thing. I know. I'm gonna get my little free Starbucks thing. I feel like I don't know. I didn't really care about it. I don't want it that bad, but that's what we're gonna do. Look. Why? It's so cute though. It's so cute. And I love layers and fat jackets. Sad. So, we were shopping. It was kind of a bust. Oh wait. It was kind of a bust. We didn't really find much, did we? Not much. But, look, we got the free thing.
The same things.
Yes, right. And then Forever 21. And then, what'd you get?
I got, the purple hoodie.
Oh yeah, and then I got and her birthday thing, and then I got my birthday thing, the Fenty, one of the Fenty highlighters, and then the Fenty lip gloss. Yep, the pigmented one, and then I got a comfy white sweater, and now we at Starbucks. You know, sound basic, sounded hella basic, but then we're gonna go to Burlington. Yep, and then we might go and get something to eat. Are we still?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We haven't decided though. We kind of want wings.
Oh.
And then we're gonna get wings here, but
they're not that good.
they're mall wings. So it's not like wings
they're mall wings.
They're like JJ's. Those are more than wings. Those are full on. That's a meal.
JJ's.
That's a meal. If you don't have JJ's by where you are, that's sad. I feel bad.
JJ's is great.
Like if you ever come to a place and you look up and they got JJ's, take that chance.
They have JJ's. I think they have JJ's in Atlanta. Or like somewhere around there. I was like, there you go.
And it'll be good, but I don't know what we're gonna do next. But it's just a day vlog, you feel me? And she getting a call. I just got out of the shower and it's been a long day, but I went shopping, so I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I got, like a mini haul, you know. So first of all, from my friend Sayana, she got me these slip-on vans that I've been wanting. I wanted to get them for the first day of school, but they weren't my size at the time. Then from Sephora, I got this little like mini duo. I got the lip gloss, and then Hustle Baby highlighter, and then I got my little birthday gift. It was like lipsticks or this, the Glam Glow thing. It's like a tinted, it's a nude moisturizer and a face mask. So I just chose that over the two lipsticks, so I never wear it. Then we went to the beauty supply store. I just got 3 lip glosses to add to my collection of literally so many. And then I just got another LA Girl Pro concealer because one of mine I think is the wrong color. So this one's fits me better. But then I'm going to show you guys my lip gloss collection in a minute. I keep most of them in my backpack. And then I got this coat from Burlington. It's like, it's so big. It's like longer and it's velvet. I don't know if you can tell, but I'll insert like a picture of it to show you what it looked like when I tried it on. But yeah, it's just a blue jacket I've been wanting. And then I got this Forever 21 little sweater, and I'm gonna wear this with some jeans and my green Vans tomorrow. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'll insert a picture like after I take the pictures tomorrow, because this won't be up until like Tuesday. I'm wearing it Monday. But yeah, that's basically everything. That was my day, just going around shopping, birthday shopping with me. I also, another update is I cracked my phone really bad. I was getting out of the car. It just dropped face down on the cement. I'll insert a picture. It's so bad. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I mean, honestly, I just deal with it. It's not that big of a deal for me. It didn't go over my camera, so that's good. So nothing is wrong with that, and my home button still work, you know. But yeah, that's everything. That was just my today. This is the end of my little birthday series. Hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe.